Hello and welcome to our online tutorial for booking parking reservations for the upcoming winter season. To start, you'll go to snowbird.com/parking. You can also access this from our homepage. Beginning on November 9th, the online booking calendar will live on this page and you can make your reservation right within the website. Here's an example of what the calendar will look like. When we launch reservations, we are not releasing the entire inventory for the season. We will release more inventory after December 24th and every Monday at noon so that we may remain nimble and able to adjust as needed based on the pandemic, user patterns, and open lifts and terrain. Snowbird's targeted opening date of November 30th is terrain and conditions permitting. In this example, we will be booking for January 1st. To start, select the 1st. Then choose the available time and click Find Parking. Please note that the time you select does not mean you have to arrive at that time. Next, click Book Now. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Then click Complete Payment. Since our parking reservations are free, no payment information is actually collected. If a date for which you would like a reservation is filled, be sure to check back regularly to see if additional inventory has been added. We've now successfully completed the reservation for January 1st. To book additional days, click Find More Parking. We are now brought back to the calendar where we repeat the booking process. To gain access to the parking lot without printing a pass, simply bring up your reservation confirmation email on your mobile device. Snowbird's goal is to allow guests to ski and ride on days they wish. Each guest can reserve up to 7 advance days and 7 week-up days at a time. For frequent visitors to the resort, such as season pass holders, we recommend downloading and using the ParkWiz app. If you've already made your parking reservation on the website, make sure that when you create your ParkWiz app account to use the same email address you used for your parking reservation. Guests staying at Snowbird Lodging Properties do not need to make a reservation. When making a reservation with Mountain School, Wasatch Adaptive Sports, and the Cliff Spa, a parking reservation is included and will be emailed to you after booking. Thank you for your patience as we implement the parking reservation system. Our goal is to keep our guests, employees, and community safe, and skiing and riding all winter long.